Hello everyone and welcome. This video I'm going to walk you through how to enable live translate on Google Chrome. Now live translate helps you translate captions, live captions. So let's get started. You click on the three dotted top right corner, scroll down till you see settings, click on settings, and then click on accessibility for the light, and you can see live translate. So turn it on. So you can see Chrome can create and translate captions with languages shown. So first of all, you can see that it immediately turned on my live caption. So if you turn on live translate, live caption must be on too. So what language you want it to translate into, only supported live caption languages can be translated. So you choose translate captions into what, choose the language you want, but if it's not supported, it's not translated, it's supported, be translated. So as simple as that. We also have caption preferences. Here, you can customize the caption size and style for live caption, and some apps and sites also use the settings. Now, you click on this to take automatically to your caption settings on your device, and then from there you can set the caption size and style. As simple as that.